Introducing Mavin, STARKAssessment's Survey Analysis and Reporting System. Copyright 2018 by Rudolph Associates Incorporated. Do you use surveys to better understand your customers? Are you frustrated by the lack of actionable results? We think you may be asking the right questions, but getting the wrong answers. Here's a scenario to show you what we mean. You are the CEO of a national restaurant chain. You contract with XYZ Incorporated to survey your customers. This question has the highest correlation to the overall satisfaction of your customers. These are the results from one of your restaurants. How would you gauge their performance? XYZ chose the most common practice, which is to add the percent agree and the percent strongly agree. The result is called percent agreement, which in this case is 90. Is this a good score? Should you be pleased? Or should you be concerned? Let's take a look at a larger data set. Here are the results from 6 of your restaurants. Note that each has a percent agreement score of 90. Are these restaurants equivalent? XYZ seems to think so. We do not. Percent agreement ignores the difference between customers who strongly agree and those who agree. Experience has shown that customers who strongly agree are more likely to return and much more likely to recommend you to others. The same goes for neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Ignoring these differences is equally misguided. Neutral customers may give you another chance. Customers who disagree are not likely to return, and those who strongly disagree are telling their friends to stay away. Take a look at the results for restaurants B and E. Restaurant E has far more strongly agree responses. Restaurant B has 3 times as many disagree and strongly disagree. Restaurant E is by far the better performer, yet their percent agreement is the same. Something is wrong with this metric. We at STARKassessments think we have a better way. We call it Mavin. Mavin calculates results reflecting all 5 levels of agreement. Restaurant E will be shown to be far superior to Restaurant B. Mavin establishes a valid, easy-to-describe standard you can use to compare your results to. Mavin indicates the degree to which you fall short of or exceed this standard. With this combination of capabilities, Mavin offers an analysis and reporting process that is unique, powerful, and easy to interpret. Let's take a look at what Mavin does. First, we assign a value to each of the responses. Here is the same set of data with a column added that lists the mean values. The Mavin is based upon this mean. Percent agreement is the same for all 6 restaurants, but the Mavin score shows a wide range of results. Restaurant B, which had the worst responses, has the lowest Mavin score. Restaurant E has the highest. Next is defining a standard. What is the minimum score for which you would say, well done? Having all responses agree seems the obvious choice. If all respondents agree, you've done your job. The Mavin score for this would be 4.0. Scores well below 4 indicate a need for improvement. Scores above 4 indicate exemplary performance. Next, we need to understand how to interpret the scores that are above or below our standard. Here's the set of responses that exceed our standard. Note that the 2 numbers to the right of the decimal are exactly equal to the percent who strongly agree. This will always be the case when there are only these 2 types of responses. When all 5 types of responses are included, the same is true, but we need to change our terminology. For scores above 4.0, the 2 numbers to the right of the decimal are deemed equivalent to the percent of customers who strongly agree. We refer to this as the weighted percent strongly agree. When the Mavin score is below 4 but above 3, the 2 numbers to the right of the decimal are deemed the weighted percent agree. So 3.75 indicates 75% agree. When the Mavin score is below 3, the weighted percent agree is 0. We see no need for negative results and deem all scores below 3 as indications of a very real problem. So we have shown that traditional survey metrics are a poor choice when compared to the Mavin. Can we show you how easy it is to switch? Please click the link below to schedule a demo. Thank you for your time.